Vietnam!
Alright, oh guys, katatapos lang natin mag-breakfast. So dito na tayo mag-sightseeing sa Panama Canal. Let me show you yung famous bridge, Panama Bridge. Well, it's just a bridge. Load na tayo. Guys, kung nakikita nyo, baka lang yan. Mula dito, aangat yung barko. Nagigets nyo ba? Diyan. Bubuksan yan, papasok ang barko, sasarhan, lalagyan ng tubig, aangat ang barko. Hanggang tatlong angat. 1904 pa ginawa ng mga tao. Dami daw namatay. Di ko lang sure kung 50,000 or 5,000, 50,000 ang mga namatay. Yung iba daw, mga nalibing na ng buhay. Grabe. Sarap palang panoorin to, i-research to. Kita nyo yung mga yan, yung gutter na yan. Madami daw na nalibing na buhay dyan.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Sa totoo lang, hindi ko naman maramdaman. Pero sikat daw talaga siya. Hindi, amazing lang yung ano, yung pagkakagawa ng tao. Kasi nga man-made naman. Pero malupit siya. Marvelous. Malupit yung sistema. So mamaya ulit.
Kept up with that. Well,
Well
done.
done. That went at a real gallop.
That is important.
Yeah. It has to go that fast.
Very happy.
Yeah.
Don't worry, be happy. Oh, okay.
In stereo.
Andito ako ngayon sa DJ's booth sa Observatory. And well, okay din. So ito yung nangyayari ngayon. 10:30 in the morning dito sa Observatory. Meron silang ukulele session.
Get a 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4.
Good minor. F.
Here's a little song I wrote.
Yes, DJ Renault. Now,
No wrong.
guys, ito yung aking idol. Bakit naman ang pangalan mo? Si Harvey. Ito yung idol ko, si Idol Harvey. Lagi nag-aalaga sa akin sa Boro Market. Shoutout muna pare. Saan? Wala na. Well guys, there you have it. That is one of 3. Bali, 3 yung dadaanan namin. So, ito pa lang yung una. Tapos yung way palabas yata, pabalik namin sa Atlantic or Pacific Ocean is 8 oras, 8 hours yung aming dadaanan. And kailangan ko nang magpahinga kasi meron kaming set dito sa pool deck. Dito. Yan. Dito kami po pwesto mamaya. So, it's almost 11 o'clock na. Set namin alauna. So, kailangan ko munang magpahinga guys. I-lep. So, sana makapag-video tayo mamaya. Please do like and subscribe. Panama!
Stations looking very, very busy. Maya working incredibly hard with all of the different deals going on in the bar. Sydney's working hard, mixing all of the incorporated. And Nika adding in that final touch of lemonade to make our hymns nice and refreshing. Recommendation for that particular drink. The queues are massive at the moment, ladies and gentlemen. Much.
Oh guys, nagkakaroon sila ngayon ng cocktail competition. Ang matatalo, tatalon sa pool. Ayan. Dito kami ngayon sa Panama. With Tom. Yeah, stage director, yeah.
Of course, we also have our signature lemon sorbet that is also on offer. That's over at the back, over by the pool bar. That's only £1 today for this main drinks menu. With the total refreshing, that's £7.34. All the drinks that we're showcasing with our officers can purchase waiters, and they want to make sure that the cocktails they make for you are just as good as every aspect here on board our beautiful vessel as we sail around the world. So, ladies and gentlemen.
Te. Ayos na ayos. Hindi na tayo mamumuti. Oh guys, katatapos lang nung set namin sa pool deck. Grabe yung kulay ko. Brown na brown. Pinoy na Pinoy. Alas 3 na. Papahinga muna tapos mamayang gabi ulit. Set kami dito sa lugar na to. Dito kami nakapwesto. So, feeling ko, that concludes our Panama Canal trip. Sabi nila, hindi ka daw seaman pag hindi ka dumaan dito. Well, dumaan na kami. Thank you! Panama Canal. Please do like and subscribe. Bye-bye.